Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can have zoom in or zoom out effect on your clips by using the keyframes on CapCut. So here you need to add your clips, then add keyframes on each clip at the beginning and also the end of the clip, like this. Okay. And to have a zoom in effect, you need to go to the last keyframe on the clip and then zoom in the clip like this. Well, to have a zoom out, you need to zoom in on the first keyframe. Okay, so I'm going to go with zoom out for the second clip. And then zoom in again for the next clip. Okay, so after that you can just preview the result for the zoom in and the zoom out effect. So this is zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, and zoom out again. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.